Did you hear about how Shaquan showed his ass out in the club last night? Yes, girl. Bitch, yes. Bitch, yes. And I heard he had two of them hoes with him last night. And they both was ratchet. Yes, bitch. They both don't even know that he was here with me the night before last. Yes, bitch. Bitch, yes. Yes, bitch. Wait till them hoes find out, cause I am going live on them puss ass hoes. Yes, bitch. Did you find that whole page? Cause I need to get my ends done. Yes, bitch. Bitch, yes. Yes, bitch. I heard. Wait till I tell Queen about the teas. Yes, bitch. Hold on, this her calling me right now. Yes, bitch. Girl, we were just talking about you. Yes, we were talking about Krishan and Saquon ratchet ass last night in the club, bitch. Yeah.